Hi guys, let's start with the installation and setup of the Cypress. So to install the Cypress, first of all we need Node.js and also Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, where we will be Integrated Development Editor, where we will be editing and writing the code for the Cypress, that is the JavaScript code. So and also we need an empty folder where we will be storing the local repository, and also we will be installing the Cypress through the package which gets from the npm, that is Node Package Manager. So let's start with it. So for starting with it, first let's open our Chrome. So in this, uh, first we have to install the Node.js, right? So to install the Node.js, let's type Node.js download. So if you go over here, you can see many types of installers. So we need Windows dot Windows installer dot msi, and we need a 64-bit one. So we are installing this. So once the download is complete, you can see this. If you open that, it will start installing. So you have to click next, then accept, then click on next. Then it will automatically create a folder. Then click on next. So you can see that it comes automatically with the npm package manager, that is Node Package Manager. So then click on next, then automatically install necessary tools. You can click checkbox this, and then click on next, then install. See, the Node.js is installing. So click on finish. So once this is completed, you can see that Node.js is installed. So let's open command prompt and check node dot. You can see here I have already provided node hyphen hyphen version. See, you can see the current version of the Node.js. So it is version 20.11.1. Then we can see the npm version. So npm hyphen hyphen version, by typing npm hyphen hyphen version, npm hyphen hyphen version. So you can see that this is 10.2.4. So this is how we confirm that the Node.js has been installed. So now let's do the point number two, that is download and install the Visual Studio Code, that is IDE. So for that, let's go to the browser again, Visual Studio Code. You can type VS Code to download VS Code. So click on the first link. You can see that there are many types of installers. We are using Windows, so we will install using Windows. So it started downloading. Once it is installed, now this is downloaded. Now click on the folder. It start installation. So for this, you have to accept the agreement. I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Then it will automatically create one folder where the Visual Studio Code will be running. So click on next. Then click on next. Then create a desktop icon. I am clicking on it, and then click on next. Then click on next. Install. So it will start installing. Cypress installation is very easy compared to other automation tools. So once it is done, then you can click on launch. I am removing because we now need to launch the Visual Studio Code. So I'm clicking on finish. So after that, we have completed two steps up to here. So we will be creating an empty folder in the local for the local repository storage. Okay, open folder. So you can see that uh, in the D drive, I'm creating a folder. Mm, So here I am creating Cypress automation. So this will be the folder where we will be storing our code. So now let's go to the desktop. So here you can see that Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Click on it. It will open a window. So now you can browse color themes and everything. We will mark as done. So now we will have to open a folder which we have created. Click on open folder. I am going to D drive. Here I will be opening my Cypress automation and I have selected the folder. We have to trust the authors and then now here we have to open the terminal. Okay. For opening the terminal, you can click on the three dot button above. So click on the terminal and here you can click on new. Once you click on the terminal, it will automatically open the path of your folder which you have created. Here, let's see what we have to run. You can see that it is showing the empty folder which we have opened. It's path. So now we have to install npm. So for that, let's copy this command npm init. So I have pasted that and click on enter. It will start installing the npm. So once it is done, package name no need to given. You can give everything empty. Uh, so git repository if you have, if you can enter the git repository over there. Then author I am giving our channel name. Then license no need to give. If everything is okay, you can type yes. Say you can see package.json file has been uh, came over here and all the contents in that will be like this which we have given. So now we have to install the Cypress. For that, we have to copy this command and we have to paste it over here. You can see that Cypress has started downloading. It will take a while. See, now Cypress has been downloaded. You can see all the node module files have also been downloaded. Thank you. Then let's open Cypress. npx Cypress open to open the Cypress. See, it is asking for allowing. So once this is done, Cypress will be open like this. So this will be a guide video. I will click on continue. So here you can see E2E testing and component testing. We need end-to-end testing. So we have to configure this. Click on it. If you have, we have to download cypress.config.js and all these support files. So click on continue. So basic Cypress has been downloaded. You can start end-to-end testing over here. So there are no spec files for now. We have to create it. We will deal in the next video regarding all this. Thank you.